Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. SAPS Mpumalanga, a 30-year-old suspect has been arrested after a hijacking and a robbery of a cigarette delivery van in Sabi on the 18th of November. Two armed men in white Kia stopped the delivery van, forced the victim into the Kia, and drove them into Plantation before ordering them to run. The stolen Haval was later recovered, and officer traced tire tracks to a Toyota Quantum loaded with the stolen stock. One suspect was arrested. Others are still at large. The suspect will appear in the Sabi Magistrate Court on the 20th of November 2025. Uma sidlulela phambili, sithola udaba oluthi alert patrol members from the Human Stop K9 unit arrested 3 suspects on the N2 near Jeffreys Bay for conspiracy to commit abalone poaching. On the 18th of November 2025, officers stopped a suspicious Opel Astra and found bags containing driving gear and tools used for abalone poaching. The equipment and vehicle were seized. The 3 men between 30 to 50 were charged under the Marine Living Resources Act and POCA. They will appear in the Human Stop Magistrate Court soon. Engobuzwa ke amadoda abanjiwe abeyodoba lapha ngokungekho semthethweni. Nawo wabonile ke amathuluzi wabo ngiwafakile la ku screen. Kodwa into engixakayo, ama condom no Vaseline bese kuyapi? Noma nawo ayingxenye yamathuluzi asetshenziswayo. Ngaphela kukhona Vaseline, kukhona ama condom, bese kuba khona amadoda. Bathana 30 kuya ku 50. Shuthi la madoda lawa ama condom no Vaseline bekuyi ingxenye yamathuluzi. Noma inqondo yami nje ethanda ukusa ngazi kahle, kodwa ngikhathazwa indaba ukubona ama condom no Vaseline kube kuhamba amadoda awodwa. Ngoba nginele ama condom ngiyawabona ayashelela, kodwa ukubona uVaseline wenza inqondo yami icabanga ezinye izinto. Ngiyeke futhi ukukhuluma lezi zinto sidlule phambili. A joint JMPD, SAPS and Home Affairs operation in Mayfair has resulted in the detention of undocumented foreign nationals, 217 women, and over 400 men. Immigration officials are actively processing the individuals in accordance with legal protocols. Having undocumented foreign nationals is a threat to the safety and security of the city. Also, having so many people residing in the confined space is a disaster waiting to happen. Awuyasebenza u-MMC we-Public Safety lapha eJohannesburg, uDr. Mgcini Ntshwako, odeploye i-EFF njengoba uzwe ukuthi benze operation lapho kuboshwe khona abantu ababalelwa ku-617. And njengoba uzwa futhi ukuthi bahlala endaweni eyisiminyaminya. Ngiyajabula uma sibona kwenzeka kanje. Futhi umuntu active ekubopheni labo bantu abangama illegal immigrants aphume kwiqembu i-EFF, ngoba according to abantu i-EFF iyayisupporta lento ukuthi abantu abangene ngokungekho semthethweni babe ngama illegal immigrants la eSouth Africa. So ngithema ngibona le post ifakwe uDr. Mgcini Ntshwako ekhuluma ngeoperation abayenzile abasuccessful. Ayingabona no ibalekile. Okunye futhi engingakusho, sengifisa sengathi la eSouth Africa every 3 months ngathiwa kuzi G20, ngoba kwenzeka yonke lento ku clean iJoburg nje, kulungiswa ama pothole, kulungiswa ama street light ngoba kuzi G20. Sengathi G20 ngashintsha shintsha indawo ukuze sizoyibona iservice delivery yenzeka. Kodwa nje iSouth Africa isenkingeni. Uma kubanjwa abantu abawu-617 ngosuku olulodwa, no, kunzima kakhulu. Asidlule phambili sithathe udaba engicabanga ukuthi lokugcina bese siyayivala ivideo. SAPS Limpopo An intelligence-driven operation conducted by members of Sekhukhune District Rosenekal SAPS in collaboration with IS Drift SAPS in Mpumalanga Province have led to a successful arrest of a male suspect for possession of suspected stolen property, livestock, and motor vehicle Nissan NP200 Bakkie at Stoffberg Traffic Way Bridge in Mpumalanga Province on Friday. The alleged suspect has been linked with many other cases. Lo muntu lo ngimfisela inhlanhla yokuthi afike ejele zilwe iboshwa zimgwaza ashone. Ilokho nje ngimfisela khona ngoba ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi usebenze uthenga imfuyo uyinakekele imfuyo uthenga imijovo bese kuba khona umuntu ozovela ayithathe nje ayoyithengisa na cheap. And uGeneral Mkhwanazi uxwayisile futhi kubantu base KZN wathi njoba kuza lama holiday funa uma bethenga inyama bagcine iliphu ngoba uma kungase kwenzeke uthenga inkomo umuntu ufuna ukwenza umsebenzi baze basola nje bafika bazobheka ukuthi le nkomo ihlabile isima kanjani akhona amaphepha navela la oyithenge khona kwathola ukuthi awekho bazoyithatha leyo nyama leyo. Uxwayisile nje ukuthi bazoshaqa inyama yomsebenzi esemabhodweni bathathe nalo ibeke emsamo. So bebaxwayisa i-serious kakhulu lento yokuthi abantu bebe imfuyo. Ingakho nje ngimfisela lo muntu sengathi anganenhlahla yokuthi nje afike ngalelo langa iboshwa ixabene vele zigwazeke yena nje gwazeke yena ngoba akasilusizo lo muntu. Kubhlungu kabi ukusebenza bese kufika umuntu azofika athathe nje. Imfuyo yazi once wabanayo igcina isifana nezingane zakho. Kunzima ukuthi uqedele imbuzi uyibone ukuthi iyagula uyiqedela ngoba ubona uphoqwe isimo. Kodwa manje uma kufika nje umuntu ozovela ayithathe akungijabulisi ingakho angimfiseli mina into embi lo bhuti ngimfisela nje sengathi angaba nenhlahla ukuthi iboshwa ixabane zodwa athelwa amachaphazela. An intelligence-led operation led to an arrest of 3 suspects for extortion and armed robbery. This follows after information was received concerning an extortion group that is terrorizing community members in Emfuleni. Information indicated that the group is extorting spaza shops, tavern owners, and other businesses in COVID informal settlement, Emfuleni. Information also indicated that the group is operating in other areas such as Philippi East, Nyanga, Delft, and Khayelitsha. It is further alleged that the group is involved in armed robberies and other serious and violent crimes. The recovered firearms will undergo ballistic testing to determine whether they have been used in the commission of any other crimes. Ukuboshwa kwalezi gebengu kuyi-relief emphakathini. Ukuboshwa nje kwalabo bhuti laba ababoshiwe kuzokwenza ukuthi umphakathi uhlale ngokuthula. Ama-owner wema-tavern, ama-owner wama-spaza shop asezophumula. Akukho mali abazoyikhipha. Sengathi le intelligence ekwazile ukuhlanganisa le information ingakwazi ukuhlanganisa enye information eningi ukuze bekwazi ukuboshwa labantu. Futhi bangayitholi nebail. Into esijabulelayo ukuthi at least bazitholile ibhamu. Ma bephenya kungenzeka vele amanye amacala ngoba vele igebengu ke azenzi icala endaweni eyodwa. Angibambe le video ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwe video landela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, comment, share, like. Ungasupporta ukuba imember le channel qala ku 40 rand ngenyanga ngiyaphezulu. Ungasupporta futhi ngokusidonatela noma ngamalini khona i-account kwi comment ephiniwe. Ngiyabonga.